what's up everybody, and welcome back. Today we're talking about the benefits of a deep fast. And I've got a lot of notes here that I'm going to be covering right here, so if you see me look away, it's because I'm reading my notes and I don't want to forget anything. So let's follow along and give you some benefits here. So the first one is autophagy. And autophagy is the body's natural process of cleaning out bad cell matter that's built up in your body. And when you go through a deep fast where you're not feeding certain cells like cancerous cells in your body the nutrients they need, they go through programmed cell death or apoptosis, and autophagy is used to clear those out. So what else does autophagy do? So it also slows neurodegeneration. As the process of cells and neurons within your brain that become damaged over time that lead to things like Alzheimer's, dementia, Parkinson's, all the stuff that none of us wants, ever, trust me. And the even better news, when autophagy is doing its thing and getting rid of the bad cells, it can also lead to the production of new brain cells. Good stuff. Alright, so what else? A deep fast can promote longevity, slow down the aging process, more birthdays, that's good stuff. It can help to strengthen the immune system. And I don't know about you, but I've got little ones and they seem to be spreading colds and flus like crazy that they get from daycare and everywhere else. Let's see. A deep fast can improve mental performance. I've heard a lot about people reaching that fourth day, fifth day, and having this huge mental clarity, more so than they would normally have in their everyday lives. So that's something to look forward to for sure. You'll also reduce your risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease and improve high blood sugar regulation. All good things. I could use a deep fast just to be able to read these words and get through this stuff. And last and certainly not least for me, Bird wants to know too, how about some rock hard abs? So weight loss. I've heard of people using fasting as a method of weight loss. It's a good thing. They get more tone, dropping weight. Probably not the reason I'm doing it entirely, but definitely a side benefit. So we'll see. Not holding my breath though. Probably don't even have any abs under there. But that's pretty much it for the list of basic benefits. I'm going to give you a sheet that covers a lot of good websites that you can go to read a lot more of the specifics. There's a lot more details on the benefits of fasting, but those are pretty much the high points and the things that attracted me and attract most people. So that's pretty much it for this one. I'm going to call this done and we'll jump into the next one where I'll talk about my plan for the 5-day fast. See you there.